Welcome to my tutorial. Today is going to teach about the list view, how to use the list view, the simple list view in EndNote Studio. First, we open up EndNote Studio, go to the XML, we create a new list view. Say mesh parent, and we put ID for it, called list. Okay, so we go to the Java class, we find the ID, list view. Method call find view by ID list. Then we create a string array call list student list. A, for example, put A B C D E D F G J. Okay, then we create a array adapter. So for this array adapter, create a new array adapter and put the string array inside. Use the sample layout. Simple list view item 1. The student list. We pass the student list to the array adapter, and then we use the list to set the adapter. Go to adapter. Okay, we try to see the result. Okay, so this is the result. A to J in a list string. So we're going for the next method on click from this list view. So we use the same this list view set on item click listener, new adapter view on click listener. Okay. So this is the position, the view, the parent, and the ID. So for this case, we use the position. Okay. We have tools, make text, activity, that's list dot position dot to string. Dot length. So we can display the value when we click in the tools. So you can see this on click value. Thank you for watching.